Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter pairing mode on Jabra Evolve 75E. And to do this, first make sure that your headset is turned off, and you can see that by clicking on the power key. If you click on it and then you'll feel vibration, that means that they are powered on. And if you want to turn them off, then simply click and hold this circle for 3 seconds. Now that they are powered off, we need to click and hold the same circle for 3 seconds until you see the blue LED lamp flashing right here. That means we have a pairing mode established. We can move to our smartphone, scroll down, and here's the headset. Probably you can see it, okay, and click on it. It should pair with your phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.